What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the greatest YouTube channel in the entire universe. This is the Rideshare Hub, the best channel for Uber and Lyft drivers. If you're driving for Uber and Lyft and you're not subscribed and you don't have post notifications turned on, then you are missing out, because if you have post notifications on and you're subscribed, you will be notified every single time I post a new video. So make sure to subscribe. And if you're interested in, engaging more with us, drop a comment down below. Let me know where you're from, what you drive for, or, just what's up. Say what's up. I know we all always like chatting with you guys, but today's video, I'm sharing with you guys something pretty insane. So unfortunately, there is something going on right now, which is basically passengers are scamming drivers. Let me know, have you ever been scammed? I want to know. I've definitely have had people try to scam me before. I've had people try to give me cash for a ride. I've had one guy try to have me go buy him cigarettes. He said he was gonna tip me through the app to pay for the cigarettes. I was like, dude, heck no. There's just so many scams going around, but I just found this crazy thing, which I'm gonna go through with you guys, which I saw this and I was like, you have to be joking me, joking me. I was like, dude, are you serious? Or dudette? But yeah, so let me know, have you guys ever been scammed? I'm gonna go through this thing with you guys. It is absolutely insane. So this is actually going around. People are telling this is a passenger telling other passengers, this is how you get a free ride. Get free rides by putting I think that means your Uber and Lyft drivers on blast. Always rate 1 star. Always comment the car smell, driver was reckless, speeded, ran a red light. Make sure they don't have a dash cam because they can hit you back and have you cut. If you got trash, put it on the seat, on floor, or take a pic. Tell them they drive, talk religion or politics and offended you even after you ask them to stop. Tell the driver smelled horrible and could not speak English. Tell them that the driver took you out of the way. They never follow the app directions to get you, so you get the money back. Use a friend's account and have them show they never took the ride because Geo never left campus. This is actually a real thing that I saw on campus, guys. Legit real. I know what you're thinking, like, okay, this is a joke. No. People are actually scamming drivers and scamming Uber and Lyft to get free rides. They're just leaving false reports. I mean, this is the type of stupidity that is going on. I mean, these are people with such low IQs. They're like, they think that everything in life is free. Like, these are the type of people who they go in and they steal candy bars out of like gas stations. It's like they want, or maybe they cheat on their tests in high school or middle school, or maybe not middle school, but like, you know what I mean? It's just like I mean, everybody knows Uber and Lyft drivers, like, we're not the richest people in the whole world, but like, we're still making good money, but we're hustling, we're hustling. And it's like, why would you steal from an Uber or a Lyft driver? Because, that affects us. And a lot of times those one-star ratings can actually deactivate us if we get enough of those. So I really hope this does not trending, but let's stop this. I don't want this to happen anymore. Let me know if you've ever got scammed, or if you've ever had somebody rate you a bad star rating for no reason at all. I know I definitely have, but let me know in the comment section below. Let's try to get rid of this. And so, Uber and Lyft need to take care of these people who are just scamming, and let's deactivate passengers. Instead of Uber and Lyft deactivating drivers, let's deactivate passengers who just rate low stars for no reason at all. So, alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great night, have a great day, whatever you decide to do today. Let me know down below whether you drive for Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Caviar, Grubhub, DoorDash, Postmates, whatever you drive for, deliver for. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. That's really important that you have the post notification bell on, so you actually do get notified when I do post, because YouTube's been a little shaky recently with that. Anyways guys, leave this video a huge thumbs up. If you don't want to get scammed by Uber and Lyft, give this video a huge thumbs up. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you all next time. Alright, bye guys.